Hello everyone, and then welcome to another tutorial video. Okay, so in case you are new to this channel, you might be wondering why the headline of the video was named that way. Okay, so we are about to find out, or we are about to discover the easiest way to find solution to multiple choice questions. Okay, so sometimes you tend to try find the solutions to multiple choice questions, and then you find it really hard to come by them. Okay, so this video will give you all the details, okay, as to how to find solutions to every multiple choice question. Okay, so in case you are new to this channel, I'll urge you to subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, share the video, and then turn on your post notification by clicking on the bell icon, so that whenever you upload videos like these, okay, in the future, you don't miss out. Okay, right? So without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. Now let's look at a bank of questions. Okay, this is a bank of questions. Okay, this is a multiple choice type of question. Okay, so these have their answers attached to them. Okay, so in case you come across any of these questions, these are thermodynamics questions. Okay, and then during your practice problems, you won't have the respective answers attached to them, and then you might have to solve the question and then try arrive at the specific answer. Okay, so we'll be using this as an example, but before you do that, you have to use a general question as an example, so that you get to understand what this video entails. Okay, so let's say you come across any question, and then it's like a series. Okay, let's say a series motor will overspeed when. Okay, so when you come across any kind of question like this, okay, so in case you are given any question and then it comes in this form, okay, a series motor will overspeed when okay, so once you do that, you just copy the question and then paste them into Google. But let's see what we'll get when we do this. Okay, when we do exact, we just paste the question in Google. You could notice that we won't be given an exact breakdown of all the questions relating to that exact topic. Okay, we might be given only the answer. Okay, and then we might have to come again and then be trying to find solutions to respective questions. Okay, when you type the question like this in Google, okay, so Google has its own way of analyzing whatever you type into the search bar, and then it will give you specific answers. Okay, now when you type the question like this in Google, it might give you a straight answer. Okay, and then what you want is not a straight answer. We want a question bank. Okay, a question bank that contains all of these kind of questions, because the question you pick this one from, or the type of question you pick this specific question from, might contain others similar questions. Okay, so we need the entire of that specific solution to those questions. Okay, so once you want to do that, okay, you can notice that this is an amateur circuit is open, but the question is saying that a series motor will overspeed when. Okay, so we want a page, okay, or a website that will give us the answer to this question and other similar questions. Okay, so in order to do that, you just click here, put your quotation marks. Okay, put your quotation marks over here. So note what we already have here. Okay, the initial search engine, what we had. Okay, and then let's see what you come up with once we add the quotation marks. Okay, so you can notice that we've been given Course Hero site will probably contain solution to this question and other similar questions. Okay, so let's find out. Okay, let's do find out. Let's check the answer. Okay, so this is a Course Hero site. Now from here you can notice that our question was a series motor. Okay, now from here you can notice that this is the exact question. Okay, this is the exact question. This is the exact question, right? That's question 121. And then apart from question 121, we can notice that these questions, okay, have similar questions attached to them. Okay, so once you know this question, then you search it the way I did, you get access to other questions, okay, other similar questions in the same in the same topic or under the same topic. Okay, once you understand what I'm saying, you are just good to go. All you have to do is just introduce the quotation marks, and then you get access to the exact question and answers bank. Okay, you get access to the question bank and then the exact answers. Okay, so initially, let's see, the answer to this question is what? Load is removed. Okay, load is removed. But initially, when we search the question without the quotation mark, okay, let's see the question without the quotation mark. Let's see the question without the quotation mark. Okay, this is the question without the quotation mark. Okay, so you could notice that the answer they gave us was what? An amateur circuit with an amateur circuit is opened. Okay, and then you might open this. You might open this first site, and then it might give you the specific question. Okay, might give you the specific question, but it might not be what we are looking for. Okay, that is why I advise we use the what? The quotation mark. Once you use the quotation mark, you'll be given a bank of questions with the correct or exact answer. Okay, with the correct or exact answer. So let's choose the first link. Most of the times you have to choose the first link. Okay, then don't overthink it, just choose the first link and it will lead you to the exact question with the bank of question and what? Bank of answers. Okay, so let's use another example. Okay, so let's see this question. This is a thermodynamics question. Okay, we already have the answer over here, but we are using a scenario where we don't really have the exact answer attached to what? Any question paper. Okay, so once you get these kind of questions, you won't have the answers attached to them on the question paper or book. Okay, so let's copy the question. Let's copy the question and then paste it. Okay, let's copy the question and paste it. We are trying to find the solution to the question. Okay, so this is the question, and then we are trying to find the solution to the question. So let's paste it over here. We've pasted the question without the quotation marks. Okay, we've done that without the quotation mark. Let's see the outcome of the question. Okay, so from here you can notice that we've been given what? The solution to the question. Okay, but this will give you the exact solution to the question. Okay, this will give you the exact solution to the question. So you can notice that the answers over here are what? 44, 24, 34, but we had what? Okay, so from here you had 14.118 or 14.118 meters. Okay, but from here we have answers to what? 24.11. Okay, that's the correct answer over here. So in order to get that specific question bank, okay, in order to get that specific question bank, you just have to add your quotation mark. Okay, just add the quotation mark to what? To the question you've already typed in Google, and then that will give you the exact question bank. Okay, it will give you the question bank to that specific question. Question bank means that you will get other similar questions attached to that specific question you are looking for. Okay, with what? Their answers. Okay, with their answers. Okay, so let's see. So sometimes when you point the question in the search bar, you could notice that you might sometimes be given the specific answer just from the onset, but most of the times you might not be given what? The specific answer. Okay, from the onset. Okay, so let's do that again. So after searching for the question with the quotation mark, now we have the quotation mark, you'll be given this. Okay, so once you click on this, it will send you to a question bank that contains this specific question and other what? Questions. Okay, and other questions. Okay, let's see. It will give us this exact solution to that question and other questions. Let's see. It will give us a specific answer to that question and other questions. Okay. Let's see. My internet is a bit lagging. It seems I've even passed the exact question. Okay. Let's see. Okay, now this is the exact question. Okay, this is the exact question. You could notice that it has brought us to the site where we have that question, solution to that question, and other similar questions. Okay, this is what or this is how we solve we find solutions to what multiple choice questions. Okay, so in case this video was helpful to you, I would urge you to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on other future videos. Like the video, share, and then I will see you in the next video where we'll be treating how to solve multiple choice questions without studying. Okay, you get to know how to solve multiple choice questions, get the correct answer to the multiple choice question, pass the exams, okay, without studying. Okay, right. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.